Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge cells in PowerPoint using keyboard windows. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the table slide. Now we want to merge the cells using keyboard. At first, select the cell, click and drag on our mouse, then press Alt on our keyboard, then press J and L to go to the layout menu, then select the M to merge. Now we can see we merge the table cell using keyboard easily. You can apply the same process another cell. Now I am select again the cell and press Alt and select the JL, then press M to merge cell. You can write anything, press Ctrl V to paste any text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.